Hello there, my name's Alec Bryce, and what I would like to know is, has your wife, your girlfriend, your sweetheart, your lover, the other half, the bitch, whatever you want to call her, has she been pestering you for a new dishwasher? Well, maybe she's getting on a bit, and her hands are so soft and she can't scrub anymore. Well, that's where you come in. Or I come in. This is what you should do to help out. This is what you've got to do. You've got to get into the bath and you've got to help out. I'll wash your dishes for you. No problemo. Easy, especially with one of these, one of our favourite scrubbers. I'll scrub your dishes. It scrubs absolute everything. You can't even scrub her new pots. They're already shiny. What about her favourite cup? You can always use some of this. There you are. Maybe we don't know which chemicals to use when washing dishes, but you guarantee the water's not supposed to go out the bath, but you guarantee you get a nice clean shine. And sometimes you get difficulties, like this old frying pan. It's a bit more work, but you can always use that. Never mind Mr. Whistle, use me. If that doesn't work, I'll scrub for a bit longer. But just for the time being, because it's quite difficult, just a quick dip. And that's us. Oh, ouch, the brush got me. The jacket bit got me. Well, I can only see there's one thing left to do. And that's to wash the cutlery. With a little bit of soap. It'll still clean it, but it'll taste funny. Knife, fork and spoon. A quick bit. That brush has got me again. It's quite janky. Anyway. Just don't forget to wash myself. What we got? God. Go bowl some shampoo. Sport for men, that'll do me. Oh la. Well, I'll get washed now, and I'll catch you later when I wash some windows for her. Give me a tent, some hills, and I'm happy. Just give me a bar of soap. And I must remember to brush my teeth. Brush your teeth, remember to brush your teeth. I feel like a new man. I bet some of you women feel like a new man. Until the next time, bye! Take me away, Daddy-o! You don't need a dishwasher when I'm about la 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 la. You don't need a dishwasher when I'm about tra-la-la-la-la. Soap in my eyes. Here, during this credit crunch, you don't need no dishwasher. You just need Ali Barry B. Right, time for a breakfast. Oh God, I've dropped my towel. I'm far too close. Sorry about that. Move that camera back.